So we want to prepare this model for finite element analysis, but without having to be a skilled CAD modeler. Solid Edge with Synchronous Technology has some great, easy-to-use tools for this, whether the geometry was created in Solid Edge itself or not. In fact, the bracket we have here isn't a Solid Edge file, so first let's import it by simply opening it into Solid Edge. Let's change the appearance to aluminum. And of course, at this point, we could apply the exact material, which would automatically set the structural properties needed for analysis, such as yield strength, but we'll leave that until the actual simulation. Now we can immediately see that there are a few aesthetic features that need to be removed from this model to speed up the simulation downstream. Small faces can cause errors or long processing time, so it's always a good idea to remove these types of geometries if they don't greatly affect the structure. Unlike most other CAD systems, Solid Edge with Synchronous Technology doesn't rely on a delicate history tree, so removing features here won't cause rebuild issues. Most importantly though, it's just very easy. First of all, the rounds. We simply ask Solid Edge to locate all the rounds for us and delete them. Once that's done, we're going to take a look at the spherical features and the part number. This time, we'll just use a simple fence select. And again, once they're located, we'll simply delete them. Now, as we review the model, you notice that it is a symmetrical part, so simulating the whole model is not necessary. By dividing the model into quarters and only analyzing one of these quarters downstream, we can achieve the results we need, but actually much quicker. So after we create a simple sketch, Synchronous Technology allows us to use regions created to simply cut away the quarters we don't want. And as you can see now, once we remove the material, this is a much more manageable part to work with. Now another area where we can afford to simplify is around the mounting holes. Selection Manager, the tool we used earlier to remove the rounds, is great for locating features in the model quickly. Here you can find the chamfers on both sides of these holes, making selection nice and easy, ready for a delete. Let's also remove this small hole, which is only a locate hole for another bracket. Notice every time we delete, Solid Edge patches the model up for you instantly. What about any geometric edits you might want to make? You don't need a history tree for this. Simply click on the face to drag and snap. The final preparation we'll do is in simplifying this top face. You can see that for some reason it has multiple patches, which may cause our simulation mesh to create unnecessary nodes and elements. Check this out. Solid Edge can take these 5 faces and turn them into one face instantly. Easy. So in a couple of minutes without much modeling skill at all, we've used the power of Synchronous Technology and Solid Edge to prepare this model for an efficient simulation.